How to use a Claude skill. Method 1. Let Claude use the skill automatically. Open a new chat in Claude. Enter your prompt normally. If Claude detects that one of your available skills matches the task, it will automatically load and use that skill. For example, if you ask Claude to turn a document into a presentation, it may automatically use its presentation skill. Method 2. Use a skill manually. Open a new Claude chat. Type in the message box. Enter /. You will see the skills available on your account. Select the skill you want to use. Enter your prompt and tap on enter. Claude will now use the selected skill while completing your request. That's it. You can either let Claude automatically choose the appropriate skill or manually select the exact skill you want to use.